My greetings to all of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. So here is your English enrichment activity. One word substitution. Looks new? So let's find out the meaning of the word substitute. Substitute means when someone takes place of somebody. जब कोई किसी की जगह ले लेता है. Let's understand it with an example. If one of your teacher is absent, the another teacher comes and takes your class. So that teacher is the substitute. She has taken place of the absent teacher. Another example. If in the match one of the player gets injured, the another player is sent to play. So that player is the substitute of the injured player. So when someone takes place of somebody, he, she or that thing is called substitute. Coming back to our topic, one word substitution. When we substitute something with one word, जब हम किसी चीज़ को एक शब्द से बदल देते हैं, that is called one word substitution. In Hindi we call it वाक्यांश के लिए एक शब्द. One word substitution simply means using a specific word, replacing a wordy phrase or sentence and making it shorter, concise and clear to understand. In English, when we replace a big sentence or a phrase, small group of words with only one word, and that one word gives the clear meaning, right? And that word is short also and it gives a very clear meaning. That word is called one word substitution. This way the word becomes identical with the sentence, thus providing the same meaning as the wordy sentence. वह एक शब्द ही उस बड़े सेंटेंस का पूरा मीनिंग बता देता है, तो उसको हम कहते हैं वन वर्ड substitution. Let me give you one example. If we say that we can see God everywhere, God is present in the trees, in the leaves, in us. God is present in the river, lakes, mountains. God is everywhere. We can use a simple one word. God is omnipresent. The word omnipresent has replaced 2-3 sentences or phrases with one word. Omnipresent. Omnipresent means who is present everywhere. Some more examples. I love to know about the different kinds of stars, their size, how far they are from us, which stars are bright and much more about them. If I say कि मुझे तारों के बारे में पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, तारों के बारे में जानना अच्छा लगता है कि उनमें वो कितने ब्राइट हैं, हमसे कितने दूर हैं, वो उनका साइज़ क्या है, which star is smaller than sun, which stars are bigger than sun. So we can use a simple one word. Knowledge of stars is called astronomy. I can say I love astronomy. Study of stars is called astronomy. I have replaced these group of words with one word. I love astronomy. So what is astronomy? Study of stars. Yesterday I saw number of people traveling together. They were very happy. So when we talk about the people who travel together in a large vehicle, it could be a big truck, it could be a big van, or if we talk about a group of people and animals that are traveling together. ओके जैसे डेजर्ट में हमने देखा है कि लोग और जानवर पैदल चल के इकट्ठे ट्रैवल करते हैं, तो विच वर्ड कैन बी यूज्ड? द वर्ड कारवां. द वर्ड कारवां मीन्स group of people who travel together. So this word karwa has substituted all these sentences, right? So a group of people traveling together is called karwa. The word karwa itself means group of people. Harry, my friend, is one of the famous person who sells flowers. He has a deep knowledge of flowers. I'm talking about one of my friend who used to sell the flowers. He has a deep knowledge of flowers and he decorates the house or his shop with beautiful flowers. So what do we call that person? We can simply say, Harry, my friend, is a florist. जो फूलों का काम करता है, जिसे फूलों की नॉलेज है, जो फूलों से अच्छी डेकोरेशन कर सकता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लोरिस्ट. वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूट यूज द वर्ड फ्लोरिस्ट. The side of the road is for the persons who walk by foot. So what do we call the people who walk by foot? Those people are called pedestrian. The side of the road is for the pedestrian. I have replaced this phrase who walk by foot with the word pedestrian. Pedestrian itself means people who walk by foot. My younger brother is very reserved and shy. He hardly shares his views with anyone. He remains happy in his small social circle. Here we are talking about my younger brother जो बहुत ही reserve. What's the meaning of reserve? Reserve means कम बोलने वाला. Shy, शर्मीला, जो अपने views जल्दी से किसी से नहीं शेयर कर पाता और जो अपने छोटे से सर्कल में या अकेला रहना पसंद करता है. तो what do we call the personality? If a person is having such personality, तो we call that person introvert. We can use the word introvert. Introvert itself means a person that is shy, that has a small social circle. So introvert means a person who has a personality like who is shy, who remains silent, who hardly shares his views with anyone. That person is called introvert. And what's the opposite of introvert? Opposite of introvert is extrovert. So dear children, I have discussed 6 one-word substitution with all of you. Here is an activity for all of you. You have to read these clues and you have to find the one-word substitution for all these sentences. Someone who presents or hosts a radio show. Someone who choreographs dances along the music. Someone trained to travel, operate a spacecraft. What do we call that person? The one who look at the brighter side of everything. What do we call that person? Which word will be used to substitute this sentence? If we say someone that he is, मतलब हम उसका ये नेचर बताना चाहते हैं तो हम क्या वर्ड यूज करेंगे? The supervising person during the examination. When you give exams, there is a teacher in your class who looks that you are doing your paper well, you are doing your paper yourself. What do you call that supervising person during the examination? You have to find out the words for it. You will write all these 5 sentences on A4 size sheet very beautifully, and you will find out the words from the Google or from your knowledge, and you have to send those sheets to your teacher on 26th of June. आप अपने अपने सब्जेक्ट इंचार्जेस को वो शीट्स की पिक भेजेंगे. You have to maintain a folder also for your subject enrichment activity. These sheets will be collected on PTM. So this is your English subject enrichment activity. Do it. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.